Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a project in Asana. So let's get started. At first, open Asana and navigate to the project you want to duplicate. Once in the project, point the project header or title at the top of the screen. Click on the project title. Then from the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Project. Confirm the duplication by clicking Duplicate. Asana will create an exact duplicate of the project, including tasks, sections, descriptions, and assignments. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.